Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to apply adjustments to all clips in CapCut on PC. This is useful when we want to maintain a consistent look across the entire video, such as color grading, brightness, or contrast. We will walk you through how to adjust all clips at once. Let's get started. First, open your CapCut project. Click the button to create a new project. To set this up, we have a video ready to use. This is our main video. We will upload this one. We also have another video called Sunshine, which we will use as an overlay on top. Now we want to add an adjustment to this video. We will go ahead and add an adjustment layer. From here, we will adjust the colors. For example, let's work with the green. We will maximize the green value. Now we need to copy this adjustment and apply it to the other video as well. To do that, simply right-click the adjustment and select Copy, then paste it as an adjustment on the timeline. Next, we drag it into position so the adjustment covers the second video. We can see that the adjustment applied here is now the same across both videos. That's how to apply adjustments to all clips in CapCut on PC, by simply copying and pasting the adjustment layer. We have successfully applied the same adjustments to all clips in CapCut on PC. Now the video has a consistent and professional look throughout.